Are you struggling to find new prospects for your business? Today we'll get a closer look on how to use ChatGPT to maximize your lead generation with minimum effort. Let's get to it. You've probably heard the term leads tossed around quite often, but what does it mean exactly? Simply put, leads are potential customers who have shown interest in your products or services. The old-fashioned way of generating, nurturing, and converting these leads often involves a lot of work for your marketing and sales teams. This is where ChatGPT became a game changer. ChatGPT allows you to automate time-consuming tasks like data analysis, customer engagement, and personalized communication. The result? A significant boost in your lead generation activities with less manual effort. So now, the question is, how can you leverage the power of AI to generate and convert potential customers? There are a few ways that you can try. For instance, you can ask ChatGPT to write compelling email campaigns to reach cold prospects, people unfamiliar with your product or service, or engage with your existing customers. On the other hand, ChatGPT is also capable of helping you research keywords, develop topic ideas, and create content faster. Whatever your end goal is, make sure to provide ChatGPT with detailed prompts for optimal results. In this video, I'll share 12 proven methods for using ChatGPT to generate leads. Market research helps you identify your customers' needs, preferences, and pain points, providing insights on how to tailor your marketing strategies. ChatGPT can streamline this process by helping you create detailed customer personas, analyze industry trends, and understand consumer behavior. In other words, everything that will improve your lead generation efforts. For starters, I'll use this prompt to come up with buyer personas for, let's say, a cleaning service provider. These personas are valuable when creating an effective lead generation strategy for something like a house cleaning provider. I can ask ChatGPT to generate one based on its own response. ChatGPT will suggest suitable marketing channels, tactics, and messaging for each buyer persona. Besides market research, competitor analysis is another key element of strategic planning in business. By understanding what your competitors are doing well or failing at, you can identify gaps within the market and develop unique selling propositions that attract potential leads. Using the same brand example, I'll ask ChatGPT to perform a competitive analysis of the house cleaning industry. The output shows the top 3 competitors and their strengths, weaknesses, pricing strategies, and unique selling points. Based on the analysis, ChatGPT will also mention several differentiation strategies to help you generate leads more effectively. Email marketing remains one of the most effective channels for generating leads, but the key to success lies in personalization. Generic messages are quickly overlooked or sent to the spam folder straight away. You can significantly increase engagement and conversion rates by tailoring your email to each recipient. Based on the previous market research, feed ChatGPT information about prospective clients. It will turn it into compelling email campaign ideas in mere seconds. For example, I'll use the following prompt to describe my business, services, and target audience. Then, I'll ask ChatGPT to develop a personalized and targeted email campaign based on the information. Notice how I also describe the specific goal of the campaign so that ChatGPT can provide more accurate results. As you can see, you will get 5 different email templates for numerous use cases, complete with a subject line and body text. If you're not quite satisfied with the output or need more email examples, simply add a follow-up prompt. Keep giving ChatGPT feedback until you get the desirable output. A well-designed portfolio site acts like a dynamic business card. Not only is it useful for displaying your work, it's also great for converting casual readers into potential leads. Website creation is another area where ChatGPT can assist. With the right prompts, you can brainstorm layout ideas, generate website copy, and find ways to improve the overall user experience. For instance, if you want to generate catchy headlines for your web design portfolio, use the following prompt. You will get 20 headline ideas to choose from. Feel free to mix and match the generated examples until you find the perfect combination. Another aspect that AI can help is website design. Use this prompt to learn about design elements you can implement in your portfolio website. The AI chatbot will then give a list of some of the best web design practices. Go ahead and apply these tips to your online portfolio. Don't have one yet? No worries. Creating a professional website is easy with hosting your AI website builder. Answer 3 simple questions and our algorithm will generate your portfolio site in mere moments. You can then easily customize the content and visuals to your liking using the drag and drop editor. If you want to use WordPress, we also offer a pre-built theme and an AI-powered WordPress plugin to speed up the process. More importantly, we have a dedicated panel for web developers and designers, helping them manage projects in one centralized space. Not a web pro yet? You can still use Pro Panel to create websites for your clients and get a lofty 20% commission for every successful transaction. Go to hostinger.com/hostingerpro and choose the Cloud Startup Plan. Select the 48-month plan for the best deal and create an account and fill in the payment details. Don't forget to apply our coupon code AI10 for an additional discount. Once all set, click Submit Secure Payment and you're good to go. SEO plays a vital role in helping your website reach the top of the search engine results, attract higher quality traffic, and ultimately generate more leads. ChatGPT can be a valuable asset in this area. For example, if you're running a digital marketing agency, use this prompt to generate terms and phrases relevant to your industry. You can also ask ChatGPT about common questions your potential customers may ask. This approach lets you understand your audience better and create content that solves their problems. Keep in mind that ChatGPT has limited knowledge of the current world's events. Double check with popular SEO tools like Ahrefs or SEMrush for utmost accuracy. Now that you have plenty of topic ideas at your disposal, the next step is to create a content plan. I'll use this prompt and ask ChatGPT to make a table format for better readability. Feel free to personalize the prompt example based on your industry, business needs, and target market. Once you're happy with the result, copy and paste the table into your spreadsheet. Make any additional tweaks and your content plan is now ready to be shared with your team. You can also use ChatGPT to create content based on your target keywords. Let's take an example from the previously generated content plan. In this prompt, I'll ask ChatGPT to write a 2,000-word blog post about how to improve SEO rankings. Make sure to mention your preferred tone of voice because ChatGPT's style can be quite over the top from time to time. Of course, the initial draft will not be perfect, but it's a great starting point. You can always go back to each section and ask ChatGPT to improve it. To get even better results, train ChatGPT to follow your style by giving examples of your published blog posts. After that, ask ChatGPT to generate content that aligns with your style and tone. With some editing and keyword optimization, your blog post is ready to be published. Remember that developing the correct prompts takes a lot of practice and testing. But once you get it right, researching keywords and publishing content will take less than a few hours a day. With such a pace, it's highly possible to consistently publish 5 or even 6 blog posts per week. Another way to engage potential customers is by offering personalized product recommendations on your landing pages or email campaigns. These targeted suggestions add value to the customer experience and can significantly boost conversion rates. If you're running an e-commerce platform, here's a ChatGPT prompt you can use to generate product recommendations. Include details about your products and different buyer personas for more accurate results. Follow up with this prompt to find cross-sell and upsell opportunities for each product. These product recommendations will significantly enhance your ability to guide potential customers through the sales funnel, ultimately leading to increased conversions. Customers expect quick, accurate responses to their queries, and a website chat assistant can be a game changer in this aspect. Chatbots can engage with your visitors 24/7, answer their questions, and even guide them down the sales funnel, all without human intervention. The good news is you can employ ChatGPT to create personalized responses and incorporate them into your website chat assistant. Here's a prompt example to generate a welcome message. You can also prepare different responses for certain scenarios based on frequently asked questions. Don't forget to include your business details to get optimal results. If you're using WordPress, you can install plugins like AI Engine, Chatbot for WordPress, or other chatbots that support GPT-based language models. These plugins make it easier to set up and manage a chat assistant directly from the WordPress dashboard. They come with numerous customization options to match the chatbot's functionality and appearance with your brand's details. Who's not on social media nowadays? Making your presence known on platforms like Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram becomes increasingly important year after year. These platforms present an opportunity to interact with prospective leads, converting them into customers. ChatGPT can assist in generating compelling social media posts that resonate with your audience, whether you need a quick tweet or an in-depth Facebook post. Here's a prompt example to generate a Twitter poll. You can boost user engagement and collect data for your product development and marketing strategies by asking the community what features they're most excited about. On top of that, you can ask ChatGPT to draft automated responses to user comments. Acknowledging positive comments in a timely and appreciative manner can go a long way in building customer relationships. Another popular social media platform to leverage is Instagram. While ChatGPT can't generate images or any type of visual content, it can help you brainstorm Instagram captions to encourage engagement. Feel free to customize these prompts based on your target audience to make them more personal. Use social listening tools like Digimind to monitor what your audience and competitors are saying. This method lets you get valuable insights to improve your lead generation strategies. A lead magnet is essentially a valuable offer you give away for free in exchange for someone's contact information, usually an email address. Lead magnets take the form of ebooks, quizzes, assessments, or anything in between. ChatGPT can be incredibly useful in designing these valuable resources quickly and efficiently. However, know that you will have to use third-party software to host an actual ebook or quiz online. Now, let's get straight to our prompt examples. I'll enter this input to generate a personality quiz that helps users discover their communication style. ChatGPT will give me 5 multiple-choice questions, complete with a scoring system. If you need more questions, simply ask the AI chatbot to provide more examples. Next, I'll show you how to write the content for your ebook. First, ask ChatGPT to provide an ebook-based structure. Include details about the subject, intended audience, and ebook length in your prompt. Adjust the generated table of contents based on your ebook scope and the audience's knowledge level. After that, use a follow-up prompt to generate the ebook content. Tell ChatGPT to focus on each section rather than write a whole ebook in one go. This way, you'll get a more in-depth explanation. Give feedback on what works and what doesn't with the introduction. Once everything looks good, tell ChatGPT to move to the next section. Repeat this process until your ebook is complete. A/B testing is a method of comparing 2 different versions of a web page, email, or other marketing assets to determine which one performs better. The goal is to make data-driven decisions rather than relying on gut feeling alone. This is especially vital in lead generation, where minor changes can result in significant increases or decreases in conversion rates. ChatGPT is capable of generating headlines, calls to action, email subject lines, ad copy, and other types of marketing messages. This saves you time and potentially brings a fresh, creative perspective to your testing strategy. In this instance, I want to compare 2 subject lines to see which encourages more clicks. You can also use ChatGPT to develop different variations of calls to action for your landing page. And finally, if you're unsure which angle your social media ads should target, it's super easy to generate copy ideas. Mix and match these responses to find the 2 best copy ideas for your A/B testing. Then, go to your chosen social media platform and launch your campaigns. Keep an eye on key performance indicators such as click-through rate, conversion rate, and return on ad spend. Use these metrics to optimize your campaign for even better results. Managing a clean, up-to-date database is essential for any business looking to generate leads effectively. A cluttered or outdated database can lead to wasted resources, lower management rates, and a reduced return on investment. This is where the concept of database cleaning comes into play. It involves identifying and removing database errors and inconsistencies to improve quality. While ChatGPT can't directly interact with your database, it can create scripts or guidelines for human operations to follow. You will then get a step-by-step guide on how to manage your database. Moreover, ChatGPT can help you organize raw data into a more manageable format. However, you need to copy and paste the data into ChatGPT to do that. This is because the chatbot can't directly access or manipulate files, spreadsheets, or databases. Speed matters in business, and AI tools like ChatGPT can give you that much-needed edge. Feel free to play around with the prompt examples we've discussed in this video or come up with your own. We're working on more content about great marketing practices, so make sure to hit that subscribe button and share the video if you've enjoyed it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.